Well, now, gather close, little ones. Today's tale is about a curious fellow named Perry, a platypus who wanted to hop and fly like the others, but soon found out that his own Waddle was just perfect at
Little Perry Platypus wished he could do more. Tried to hop like a root right outside his door. He bounced and he leaped, but he came down with a thump. And his feathers were ruffled, he was stuck in a slump. Be true, that's the best thing to do. You can waddle, you can swim, no need to be glum. Everyone's special from your head to your toes. The world needs a perfect person that it knows.
He looked up high and saw Cockatoo fly. So he tried to flap way up in the sky. He flapped and he strained, but he went down with a splash.
And he thought he was broken in a watery dash. Friend said, "Hey Perry, why don't you dive in deep?" He gave a paddle and a wiggle and a promise to keep. Down in the water he was zippy and fast. His perfect little waddle was built for the task. Be true, that's the best thing to do.
It's bedtime in the forest. Some of the animals are starting to get ready to go to bed. Is it bedtime at your place